In this video, we're going to look at the Gradebook category view. This is a feature that few people use in ASULearn, but it's very powerful. Here I am in a course. I'm going to go into the Gradebook. And so here I'm in the grader report. I have the total for the course. This happens to be simple weighted mean, but this works the same in any of the aggregation types. I have one item that's in the main category. I have a subcategory called papers with 3 items in it. I have a subcategory called assignment with 3 items in it. So if we look at each category, beside the name of the category, there's a little icon. In this case, it's a little minus sign. If I hover over it, it says change to aggregates only. So right now I have the total and I have the 3 items in it. If I click this once and go and look, now I simply see the total. I do not see the individual items within this category. If I click this again, now I see the category papers and I see the 3 items, but I see no total. If I click it again, I'm back to the view of total and the 3 items. So it's often common, let's say that this is for quizzes or something that's auto-graded and I have a lot of items within this category. I may not care to see the individual items all the time when I come into my gradebook. I may just want to see the total category or the column so that I can kind of get an overview of all the students and go, oh, this student's a little lower than the average, so I can look more closely at that. So I often set this to the category total only, and then I close the other ones. I can do this for all the categories. So see how much it reduced my grade book. I can also do this for the overall grades. So I just get this simple view of just the course totals. Now, another one we can do with this is I'm only showing the individual items here. So it shows me the totals for this category, the totals for this category, and it's showing me attendance since that's an individual item. What it's not showing me is the course total. So between these 3 states, total only, items only, our items and total, we can control how we see our grade book, so we can simplify that grade book. And remember, this is just for the teacher. The students have their own view. This is just changing you as the instructor, how you're viewing this. Does not change how the grade book works, does not change how the students see the grade book. This is just so it simplifies you so that when you come in here and look at this, it's not quite so large.